It is.
Hey,
Nice talking to you.
Yeah,
Have a good, safe trip.
Yeah, it does. You get a car like that, there's not a lot of hope.
It is 4:54 p.m. Saturday afternoon, June 1st, 2024. We're at Belen, New Mexico, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Main, Southern Transcon Main Line, and Freight Yard. We saw a Intermodal heading west. Couldn't show you the front because when he was already sitting here when I arrived here, and he was sitting here quite a while they put DPU, distributed power units, in the train. And this is a crew change, and that train, next crew change will be Winslow, Arizona. And going west, it's the BNSF Railway Gallup Subdivision, because Gallup, New Mexico is the point on this line, on the Southern Transcon. Going to the right, going east, it's the BNSF Railway Clovis Subdivision, because Clovis, New Mexico is on the Southern Transcon main line. And going east, crew change wise, the short crew change district is Clovis, New Mexico. The long crew district, the change is a crew change at Amarillo, Texas. And we saw the yard switcher here, number 1674, an Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, McCook, Illinois plant. Good old reliable SD40-2. And this guy in the blue shirt, I used to work with him at EMD, Chris Hansard.
SD40s are the best.
We worked together on overseas locomotive orders. And over here we have the Belen fueling facility. And it is the second largest railroad fueling facility in America. And these two trains are getting fuel to go west. Here comes the good old reliable EMD SD40-2 back, switching. A little bit about Belen. Belen is Spanish for Bethlehem, and the population of Belen is 7,360 souls. Elevation 4,810 feet. It got the nickname Hub City because this railroad was originally adjacent to Topeka and Santa Fe, and when the Santa Fe came through here in 1907, and that's when Belen got the nickname Hub City. And then Belen is served by rail runner commuter trains. The station's to the left, the other side of that highway bridge. A rail runner opened in July 2006, has about 2,600 passengers on a weekday. It's operated and maintained by Herzog Transit Company. Here at Belen, there are on weekdays eight rail runner trains in each direction. Saturday 6 in each direction. Sunday and 3 in each direction. And the other end of the operation is Santa Fe, New Mexico. Again, and it is 93 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is now 4:59 p.m. Saturday afternoon, June 1st, 2024. Belen, New Mexico, BNSF Railway, over and out.